It should be MVS, right?
Yeah. This guy.
Yeah. Where'd he get the GoPro from? Big it up. Big it up.
Stinking ass.
Sorry. CMU. What did they win,
Crazy magical fucking unicorns. Crazy magical fucking unicorns.
Next year.
We're coming back.
2024, baby.
Ronan Davidson.
Coming for you.
Ronan Davidson, get yourself on a fucking skateboard, you little bitch.
He's a little potty. I don't know what you are.
Still one of the best guys to ever ride a skateboard.
Hey, go. Have you got tobacco in it?
Yes, I do. Oh, you're so.
Oh no! Oh, it's me! Hey, yeah! Hey,
I dropped my blazer somewhere that's really in here, but
There you go. Let's click. Let's click.
Take it. I don't know how to do it. I'm not the bar, and this is my friend. Oh, wait, Oscar. You even know. I don't start. We're gonna do my leg click, right? We're gonna show Kyle Reeve, you, and Charlotte. We're making. Oh, there! Oh.
Take it. Do it.
that was a good shot.
Alright, what are you gonna do, mate? What are you gonna do? I'm gonna buy myself a new fucking new subscription to Nicola Sturgeon, huh?
Oh, what GoPro?
What are you doing?
I have a flat warming. There's gonna be 37 people in a flat that barely fits me and my one-person boyfriend, who is 6'1" 3/4.
Still bad.
What do you think of that, mate? What do you think of
I'll still batter the fucking cunt. No, it goes.
Crack on, Tom. Lovely to see you.
Yeah, you as well.
Oh, wait. No.
You got lens my way.
Oscar the Park Slayer.
Ah, it's too slow, mate. Oh, you fucker.
Away. Yeah, just drop in and lift. Absolutely scared. Drank too many pints, my ankle's fucked. I'm fucking scared.
Yeah, you know what? You can't be scared. Get a sketch from this car. Go on, eh?
Oh shit, there's a skateboard right
Here.
there.
No, we're joking. Sorry.
There's a skateboard. Somebody get the skateboard.
What, is it lying
Right.
road?
Yeah.
Oh, that's my board. Yeah, thank you. That was very kind of you. You got McDonald's on your car. You fucking legend.
Right, man.